Malika and I were up at 3 a.m., got ourselves ready, then went on to divide and conquer. I get the girls up, and Alika works to get the last of the electronics together and the bags into the car. We make sure to allow enough time to where we are not rushing and not overstimulating the kids as best we can. The girls did great waking up, and I was able to get them into their clothes for the day. This is a huge win, so we don't have to worry about their PJs in the airport. Good morning! 3 a.m. wake-ups. We're so excited to get to Colorado! Here we come! Got in the car at a good time and we are headed to the airport now. It is about 4 o'clock and we have a 6:30 flight. So we're trying to get in, get all of our stuff done and hang out so we can get on our way. It's gonna be a long day, but we can do it.
Please scan your QR code or touch the screen for a ticket.
Alright, so we're at Dulles International Airport in the economy lot, and we are staying about 2.5 weeks, so this made a lot more sense than going into the garages like we normally do for like a quick weekend. We made it actually at a good time and found a quick spot, but it is a very busy lot. It's very full. Looking for Southwest Terminal. We are at the very end. Last time we were out of United, which was right there, which was nice. But you know, being out of Southwest is always good too because we get to bring in a lot more bags. We made it! The bags are at least going to make it on. We have about 20 minutes till we board, so we better get going. But with little feet, who knows if we'll make it. We have 3 airports near us, Dulles, Reagan, and BWI. We prefer Dulles because we know it well and it has the lounges. We weren't able to get into the lounge today because we were leaving so early, but it is nice to have that option with the girls. We are in Colorado, guys. We made it. We landed down and were able to get the rental car without any issues. It was actually very smooth coming out of the airport, but it has been a long time since we've seen these views and we missed it so much. It's been what, 5 years? 6 years?
Yeah, 5 years, 2019.
2019. Hayden was in my belly at the time. We were bringing our trailer back because we were going back and forth from Colorado to DC where we're at. And I know, and we had to stay in DC because we were having Hayden and we wanted to settle in a little bit. We didn't realize it was going to be a big settle in for COVID, but we've been waiting a long time to see these views and to bring the girls here. I think this is going to be a special year for us. The girls are at a perfect age where they can really enjoy it. Between the going to GoPro and going out to Ouray, Vail, Moab, we're going to all of our favorite places, and these are the places we visited time and time again because they were just the best. So we're ready to share those with the girls, get them excited for it, and who knows, make this an annual trip that we come back to, as long as we go and do other things as well.
I'm using the motor.
Use the motor, Dad. We are going and climbing up all of these steep mountain hills. And as we're coming up, we're having a lot of memories. When we came through our first time, we had an 18-foot wolf pup trailer, Forest River, and it was being pulled by our 4Runner, which if you've seen the old 4Runners and their towing capacity is about 5,000 pounds. And let me tell you, it was struggling going up these mountains.
It was right here. I remember right here.
Was it?
Like just being in the far right lane, maxed out, not moving at all.
We were worried as we were coming through. We're like, okay, this might be a little bit difficult, but we were driving so slow in our right-hand lane. And as we were coming up one of the last passes, we just hear a lot of honk, honk. And we're like, what's going on? What's happening? Everything seemed fine. We had to just slow and steady it up the mountain. And next thing you know, we have someone pulling up beside us going, you lost your tire! Our spare tire on the back of the rig had decided to fly off somewhere on the mountain. There's no way we could stop to get it because it was just way too hard. Like if we stopped, we weren't making it up. And on top of that, it was gone. Like, we would not be able to find it. So that's how we lost our first spare tire. And that is not the last time we lost that spare tire. We ended up losing that again out in Salt Lake area. But man, all these memories are coming back. Colorado rest areas are my absolute favorite. We have been throughout most of the state, and there are great scenic overlooks, rest areas with nice facilities, and overall incredible views. This is the overlook going west on I-70, across from the Dillon Reservoir, outside of Frisco. It is our favorite overlook with the best views on our way out of Denver. GoPro Mountain Games is a celebration of athletes, art, music, and mountains, bringing together outdoor enthusiasts to compete and enjoy in a weekend of camaraderie. We have been to the games in years past with hopes of bringing our kids one day. This is the year! We have been hyping the girls up about the kids' Strider race, and they are so excited. All of us are competing in events this weekend. With each registration comes a swag bag of items, and we are pumped. The bags are full of different things depending on the event, but we got shirts, hats, socks, samples from the vendors for the event, and more. We got our hotel room and we're able to get everything set up. We needed the brief time to just relax a little bit. Just because it was hot. It's been hot here. Very sunny and very fun, very nice weather. But when you have the two girls and we weren't quite planning on going straight out, we were planning to go into the hotel first, it was a little difficult. We are now in our better attire with our tank tops on and our sunglasses and ready to hit the village. The great thing about the hotel we're staying in is everything is walkable. We are within walking distance of the village. We're in walking distance of the main square where they're having the climbing competition. It is the perfect location. The games are held in Vail Village in Colorado, a beautiful Swiss-style village at the base of the Gore Mountains with a river running through the center of town. There are a couple different areas to the games, providing space for an array of events, vendors, live music, art exhibits, and more. It is beautiful, walkable, and always a good time. Our first day we took it easy, making our way through the center of Vail Village, watching the whitewater rafting, and trying our hand, or foot, at slacklining. With 4 days to explore further, we took day 1 to get settled and used it to get the girls more excited for the days to come. Our Colorado trip is starting out with a bang, being at the GoPro Mountain Games. There's just so much more coming up I can't wait to share. Like, comment, and subscribe to follow along our journey through this awesome state.